All right, everyone, it's time for another terrible list, and today's going to be surprising for a few reasons. We're doing pickups. We just obviously need to dive into number 3, and that is going to be the Toyota Tacoma. I didn't want my Nissan to hear that. I'm sure it hurt its feelings. Like, there's a million reasons why owning a Tacoma is a good idea. The support for mods exists. Nissan, there's like, listen. At number 2 is a vehicle I actually don't know absolutely tons about. GMC Cyclone. Whatever drugs GMC was doing when they came up with this, like, can you go back to taking all of those drugs? Would daily a GMC Cyclone. I think they're super cool. I'm sure this vanilla pick is gonna make some people upset, but it's just the Ford Raptor R. Everybody's trying to emulate a Raptor for a reason. It's because they're great. They're historically known for the performance version of the vehicle you buy is actually a lot different than just the bog standard version.